So right now I am in Lonavala, and Lonavala is, we can say that the popular tourist place in Pune district. It is on equal distance, we can say, from Pune and Mumbai, and that's why a lot of people prefer to come here, especially during the rainy season, because you can see behind me the beautiful mountains, and they like to see the scenery. Also, there is upstairs there is a Bushi Dam, and whenever it gets overflow, people do enjoy that thing. So you can see the reason for making this video is right now there is huge rush here. I'll show you the video. You can see it's a big queue of the cars, and this queue is for one reason, that the police is not allowing the tourists to go upstairs. There are two conditions. One, either you have to have a valid tourist pass or a valid reason for that, and second thing, if you have a booking of any of the hotel upstairs, that is also a prior booking, not today's booking, then only police is allowing the tourists to go upstairs. Why they are doing it? Because today is Saturday, so it's a weekend. In Pune, there is a weekend lockdown. So the weekend lockdown means that on the weekend you cannot come out of your house, and you're not supposed to come out of your house. But after seeing this entire rush, you can see no one will say that people are really following it. So according to the Lonavala police and the Lonavala local corporation, a lot of tourists do come from Mumbai and Pune to enjoy the weather in Lonavala, and they don't want extra crowd, or they don't want people to gather at one place. Since there is a COVID protocol and they want to follow that protocol, they have imposed this rule that during the lockdown or weekend lockdown, they are not allowing the tourists to come here in Lonavala, and that's why they have made it very sure. So right now I'm at the spot, which basically this road, which will I show you, towards upstairs to, you can see that mountain. So this basically road goes up, towards the Bushi Dam, and after that there is a Lion Point, and after Lion Point there is a Ambi Valley. So what basically police is doing here, you can see this is a team of police. So basically they are checking the documents, they are checking the bookings especially. See, you can see that police is checking the bookings. If the tourists have got the valid booking, then they are allowing them to go upstairs. So this is the thing which right now happening in Lonavala to reduce the crowding. You can see this is police personnel. He's looking at the prior booking, and after that only they are allowing. Otherwise, you can see the person is standing here, the constable is standing here, and he is basically making sure that once he gets the clearance from the other teammates about the vehicle, then only they are allowing. You can see now this road is basically coming from the Lonavala city, and you can see a huge queue. It's a big queue. The officer is checking the documents, and you can see there is a huge queue. And this road, where right now I'm at the juncture basically, and this queue which you are seeing, these are the people who are coming from either from Mumbai or from Pune. So that is happening there. Also, there is a local corporation team which is checking whether the tourists are wearing mask or not. If they are not wearing mask, they are imposing a fine on them, or they are requesting them to wear the mask whenever, even if they are sitting in the car. So these are the things which are happening, even to make people aware about what are the rules and regulation and why tourists have not been allowed in Pune district. They have put up, the Lonavala local corporation has basically put up big boards like this. So these are the boards which they have put it up on the main road, on the highway, wherever usually tourists come. So it clearly says that tourists are not allowed in Pune district itself, including the famous spots like Bushi Dam, Tungarli Dam, Walwhan Dam, even Lonavala Dam, where right now I'm standing. Also, they have clearly said that Lonavala is basically, if we talk about, it's a tourist destination near Mumbai and Pune, because from Mumbai within 1.5 hours or 2 hours you can reach here. Within Pune, within 1 hour you can reach here. So they have clearly said that the tourist spots are not open. The state government has not allowed it to remain open, and that's why tourists are not allowed to go at the tourist spot. So it has been clearly mentioned, and that's why you can see they're checking two-wheelers also. If they are locals, they're asking for their identity card, and once checking their credentials, then only they have been allowed. So even if you are planning to come here in Lonavala to spend your weekend, next weekend or any weekend, make sure that you have a prior booking of any of the hotel here, because without that, police are not going to allow you to go upstairs near Bhushi Dam, or for that matter Ambri Valley also. For that you need a prior booking, and prior booking of those hotels which are there near Bhushi Dam and not in the city. This is Mayuresh Ganpate reporting from Lonavala for Mirror Now.